Imagine meeting another kind of human in the dark. Not a beast, not a myth, a person, broad shoulders, heavy brow, firelight in the eyes, a child behind them, a tool in their hand, a life as real as yours. Now imagine learning that every branch of that human family is gone, except one. Us, Homo sapiens, the survivors, the only human line still breathing. That sounds like victory until you ask the obvious question. What happened to everyone else? Because once, Earth did not belong to one version of humanity. It was crowded with cousins. Neanderthals in the cold valleys of Europe, Denisovans moving through parts of Asia, Homo erectus lasting through ages, tiny island humans on Flores, mysterious people known from fragments, caves, teeth, and bone. There was not one story of humanity. There were many. Then the chorus went silent. So did we outsmart them, outnumber them, absorb them, infect them, push them away? Or did climate, hunger, isolation, and plain bad timing do what no single enemy could? The answer is not clean. It is not comforting. And it is much more human than the word extinction makes it sound. Start with this. The vanished humans were not failed animals waiting for us to replace them. Neanderthals made tools, controlled fire, hunted huge animals, cared for the injured, and probably decorated their bodies. Some evidence suggests they used pigments. Some sites suggest symbolic behavior. They buried at least some of their dead. That alone should change the way we picture them. A burial is not just a hole in the ground. It is a pause. It means someone stopped surviving long enough to remember. And the care is even harder to ignore. Archaeologists have found ancient individuals who lived with severe injuries for years. A person who could not hunt well. A person who needed help moving, hearing, seeing, eating. Yet, their group kept them alive. That does not look like mindless brutality. That looks like loyalty. Extinction can erase bodies, but not humanity. Denisovans are stranger still. For a long time, we barely knew they existed. A finger bone, a few teeth, genetic clues scattered through living people. And from those traces, an entire hidden population appeared, like a ghost stepping out of Dina. Then there were the island humans. Homo floresiensis, sometimes called the Hobbit, stood about a meter tall, yet made stone tools and lived on an island world filled with strange animals. Small body, small brain, still clever enough to survive for ages. So before we ask why they disappeared, we have to admit what they were. They were not background characters. They were people in different forms, living real lives under the same sky.